Sydney, and you are kicking it with SydneyK. Today on this video, you'll be seeing how I turned this hair from jet black to this ginger brown, black girl friendly, chocolate girl friendly. But hope you enjoy. Stay tuned, and if you enjoy, comment, like, subscribe for more content. Alright, getting right into it. So I sectioned my wig off into parts. So I got 4 sections in the back, and then I sectioned the frontal off by itself. So all in all, I have 5 sections or whatever. Then I got this bleach from Amazon. Pretty much everything from this video from Amazon, like down to the razor comb, the scissors, everything is from Amazon. So I was just putting in my little mixer and adding the developer. It come in a pack, so it was pretty self-explanatory. Nothing too difficult about it, in my opinion. Well, as far as like the combination goes. Alright, so when you get the consistency that you want, you can go ahead and start bleaching that hair. The fun part, or so they say. But really, I was trying to take my time because this is my first time bleaching hair, and I know that you really got to get it on every strand of hair, unless it could be patchy, it could be real ugly for you, and you're not gonna look cute, and you have to redo it or dye it back black, and that's just not an option right now. So I'm going through real meticulously, like slathering it on everything, because I wanted everything to come out right. Okay, so things said 15 minutes, and I'm just following directions, y'all. I put it in there for 15 minutes. It didn't get all the way super blonde, so I guess it's like really up to your engagement of your eye and your professionalism. If you know what you're talking about, you know what you're talking about, and it'll work. But I just wanted to show y'all this step too. I did this to try to like tone the hair and get the brassiness down just a little bit, because it was just too much going on. So I just got a bucket of hot water. I put the Shimmer Light shampoo in there, and then I just dipped it in there with hand. Okay, so now that your hair is dry, go ahead and spray some Gots to Be spray on the knots, so that when you're dyeing the roots, you don't get it on the knots and, you know, redoing which was already done. You know, you get it. Okay, this is what I do when I'm doing the roots of my frontal. I'm taking a comb and I'm dipping the comb into the dye, and I'm putting the comb onto the hair. So I'm just combing it really just at the roots. That way the knots don't get re-dyed, and that way the lace doesn't get messed up, because that's going to be hard to correct, and if you want to switch it up, it's going to make it hard for you in the long run. Y'all, I'm so lit. My color came out halfway decent, but this is what it looked like, flat ironed and everything, just pure straight, no product. Alright, now time for the bangs, honey. So I'm first combing it forward, trying to see how thick I want them, you know, trying to see where I want like the center to be, because that was more important to me than the thickness, because you could fix that. I just wanted to make sure it was centered at the top, and then I'm going to like make a triangle part from there and come down into my face. Okay, so now I'm just separating the rest of my hair from where the bang is going to be, and just making sure it's real straight. Y'all see I'm nervous to use this razor comb, but we did it today, y'all. We did it. I'm twisting the hair like everybody else do. At first I tried to use the razor comb, but it wasn't really giving me much. So I just snipped it off real quick. Just snap, boom. I was scared, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, then we just gonna flat iron it, bump it, and then trim it from there. Okay, so if you like how that color turned out and you really rock with my video, please comment, like, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had fun making this video. I always wanted to do this wig like a bang with a